Good morning. Today we will be covering the market update dated the 19th of August 2022. Indian indices opened on flat note today amid mixed global cues with Nifty around 17,967 in contrast to previous close of 17,956.5. Sensex opened on positive note with indices above 60,350 in contrast to previous close of 60,298 points. For the recent development in the corporate world, we have fast-moving consumer goods major Marico is aiming for business worth 500 crore rupees from its direct-to-consumer brands in the next 2 years. Company believes that the emergence of D2C brands is a significant disruption for the fast-moving consumer goods sector in India, as some entry barriers have been reduced, while digital marketing and e-commerce have further boosted business. Company has acquired 3 brands which are D2C brands. The first is Beardo, which is in beard-related products. The second one is Just Herbs, which is in personal care, and company have just made an acquisition for healthy foods through True Elements. Adani Group has placed an order for 5 flue gas desulfurization projects worth 6,163.20 crore rupees with Power Mech Projects Limited. These 5 projects would be implemented at Adani Group's coal-based power plants in Mundra, Tiroda, Kawai and Udupi. These engineering, procurement and construction projects are expected to be implemented over the next 30 months. These FGD units will curb sulfur dioxide emissions with 92% recoveries and will be integral in reducing emission intensity. Consumer Unity and Trust Society has filed an information with the Competition Commission of India, urging it to investigate possible anti-competitive effects of the proposed merger agreement between multiplex chains INOX Leisure Limited and PVR Limited. After the merger, INOX promoters will own a 16.66% stake in the combined entity, while PVR founders will own 10.62%. The two companies had earlier emphasized that the merged proposal does not require key approval as both were shut for months during the pandemic, impacting their combined revenue that is less than 1,000 crore rupees. Adani Group-backed Adani Green Energy has received provisional approval from the Sri Lanka government for 2 wind projects in Mannar and Punaran with an investment of $500 million. At this point in time, the company has received the provisional approval only, whereas it is yet to sign any definitive agreement which would require any disclosure. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via missed call, WhatsApp or email. Thank you for being patient and listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the channel to know the latest updates in the market. That's all for today. See you tomorrow.